What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mints NFT projects. I'm not sure exactly how they're gonna do, if they're gonna do well or not, because we're in a bear market and a lot of even hyped NFT projects are not doing very well in the current market. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I just need to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before purchasing any NFTs. So the first project, it's called Syndicate free mint. At the time of recording this video, they have 22,000 followers, and I think you still have a chance to get a whitelist spot and get an OG role in their Discord. You just have to interact with their posts, like retweet and maybe post a proof or something like that, and then join their Discord, and maybe you'll qualify for OG role or for whitelist spot. And as you can see, they're doing collabs with the different alpha groups like this one, Project Whitelist giveaway. So this is one of the projects that I'm going to be keeping my eye on. Second project, it's called Caveman Freeman. That's going to be minting, looks like on October 5th. Supply is going to be 5,555. So they already have a website, but looks like, I don't know if they will have a Discord and they just don't have at the moment, or they will not have a Discord. No roadmap, no promises. So I'm not sure. As you can see at the time of recording this video, they have 67,000 followers, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they are getting decent interaction. Like this one was posted 10 hours ago, and you can interact and get a free mint whitelist spot. So this is another project that I'm keeping my eye on, and also they're collabing with the different NFT projects and alpha groups. And the last project, it's called Anyborgz Freeman. They have actually pre-mint links, so if you open it, you can register and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot like that. They also have a website as well, and they already have almost 70,000 followers on their Twitter. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting quite a bit of interactions. But I think this post got quite a bit of likes and retweets just because of that pre-mint link, because this is part of the requirement. You have to like and retweet. And then they also collabing with a different NFT projects. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, another one in here giving away 10 whitelist spots. So I don't think it's hard to get a whitelist spot for even this project as well, even how hyped it is. And that's it. This is 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and all the links for all the projects I'm gonna leave in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.